In this video, I will show you how to download Qwant search engine in Windows 11. If you want to download it, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search Qwant. When you search Qwant, then press enter. When you press enter, here you can see Qwant, the search engine that value you as user. Click this link. When you click this link, here you can see qwant.com. For downloading it, simply click three dot. Sorry. Simply click three dot here. Then click cast save and share option. After clicking cast save and share option, then click install page as app. When you click install page as app, then click install. And here you can see we have downloaded Qwant. Now we can use it. We have downloaded and installed Qwant without any error. And without going Google Chrome, you can use it Qwant and search anything. I hope this video help you how to download and install Qwant and use it. If you have any query, ask in comment box.